Today I'm going to be restoring this old axe of mine. It's a felling axe, it's not a splitter. For now though, I'm going to focus on restoring the actual metal. So I'm going to use an electric sander first to wear off the rust on top. Alright, so we've got a new handle. Use a mallet, don't do what I'm doing, use a mallet. So after several weeks of doing this painstakingly by hand, I have finished this axe restoration. Without further ado, let's go try this thing out. It's not a perfect restoration, but this was one of the two axes that I inherited from my grandfather, and so I'll continue to use it to carry out the work that my grandfather never got to do.